Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, hi, my name is Jada. So I'm currently in Jamaica. I'm in Kingston specifically, and I found this really listed Airbnb that I have to share with you guys. It's absolutely perfect. It's only about 30 minutes or less away from the airport, and it's about 10 minutes from everything that's central in Jamaica, so like marketplace, with all of the popular restaurants and club, museum, boat tracks and record. And I just wanted to do a very quick walkthrough with you guys in case you guys were interested and actually wanted to stay here. There's a link in my description box to this Airbnb, and they currently have a deal on for everyone that books that's new, so make sure that you go and view. Okay, so I'm currently on the balcony, and they have a few workmen around the area, but this is what the outside looks like. They do have a full security team, and it's 24-hour. And I'm just gonna enter now through the living area just to get into the nitty and gritty, just so you guys can see what it looks like. So this is the living room, and it provides everything that you need for a short or a long-term stay. And I'm just gonna enter now through the living area just to get into the nitty and gritty, just so you guys can see what it looks like. It's very quiet, and like I said, it's new, so all the furnitures, everything have been newly bought, so it's really good when you can come into the space and be one of the first to almost christen the area. So this is what the bedroom looks like. So when you enter the bedroom, to your immediate left is a walk-in closet, and I particularly love how they utilize the space. So majority of the doors are sliding doors, and this is what the walk-in closet looks like. So they've got a double panel railing on both sides of the room, and they also have really long drawers. The left hand side comes with a ironing board, iron, hair dryer, and all of the utilities that you would need as a woman. And I really like this space because it's perfect for handbags, any big bag that you may have, and then you have the option to also use the overhead storage for anything else that probably is a bit more hefty. You can actually walk from the bedroom into the bathroom. So walk through the walk-in closet, and that brings you into the bathroom. Or you can also enter the bathroom through the right-hand side, which is the entrance to the actual apartment. So you guys can see they do have an overhead lighting. So for all the girlies that love a good selfies or even just getting ready, it is absolutely perfect. The lighting is quite bright. I don't have everything on now because I just want you guys to have a realistic feel of the apartment. And then this is the overhead shower and the glass. And then from there, it leads us into the kitchen. And before we head to the kitchen, let's just give the console area a very quick moment, I think it's absolutely stunning. And then this is what the kitchen looks like. So they have an island. You guys know my dream apartment is to one day own an island. One of my dreams is to one day own an island in my kitchen. So they have a fully serviced island, and this is the view from the kitchen into the living area. Absolutely gorgeous. And I should say the apartment also comes with every single entertainment. They've got Disney Plus, they have Netflix, they have YouTube, so you will not be bored. And then this is what the kitchen looks like. It's fully functional. I cooked here a couple of times. I made corned beef and rice, I made breakfast, and I've had everything that I needed. I solely had to go out. The only thing I had to go out and buy is the actual groceries, so oil, ketchup, and a few bits and bobs. And then whilst we're moving from the island over into the living area, I just wanted to show you guys what is to the left of me, which is a fully functional wash area. So they have a washing basket, and then next to it they have all of the cleaning supplies that you will need, as well as a washer and a dryer. And that is what we have. They do have a pool, but I didn't get to visit it on this occasion. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna insert the Airbnb pictures so you guys can see what that would look like if you were to come here and use it. But genuinely speaking, I can't recommend this place enough because it's absolutely perfect. It's everything that I would want as a tourist and a local if I was actually paying to stay somewhere else other than my house. It is very modern, very chic and quiet. The neighborhood is very quiet. Surrounding area has a supermarket, a Chinese restaurant. They have Burger King. They have a little, the little fruit stall them. They have those. They have those a bit further out on the road. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this.